how to treat a solid wood worktop, whether it be hardwood or softwood. The process that you use, the product you use, will give you a long-lasting finish. So the first thing we need to do is the preparation. So the surface needs to be clean to start with. So if it's a worktop that's been in use, it needs to be thoroughly cleaned down before you start the process. The next thing we're going to do is sand it. If you've got previous finishes, you may need to sand to remove those. There may be slight imperfections, marks, knocks in the surface that also need to be sanded out. The condition of the worktop and how much preparation needs to be done will denote which grade of sandpaper you start from. Always sand with the grain. Today, because we're applying a varnish, we're going to go as high as a 120. But if this was a hardwood or you were going to apply a finishing oil, you might want to go a bit higher than that, a 240, perhaps a 320. So we're just going to finish the preparation on this one with our final sand. We started with an 80 grit. We've got a good base now. We've removed some imperfections from the surface, and we're going to finish with a 120 grit. So as always with sanding, when you're creating dust, always wear a mask and the correct PPE, which would include some goggles. So that's our sanding finish now. Final thing we need to do is just remove any dust from the sanding process from the surface. So either we can do that with a brush on a vacuum or just a light dusting brush across. Finish up with a tack cloth. If you haven't got one to hand, if you've got some methylated spirits on a clean cloth, the methylated spirits, because it's quite a sharp solvent, will evaporate quite quickly. And now we're ready to apply our varnish. So for this piece of timber, we're using a polyvine varnish, and because it's softwood, we're thinning the first coat just to allow it to penetrate a little bit and get a good key into the surface. If we want a dead flat finish, which is what we're going to finish with, it would be 2 coats of satin followed by a final coat of the dead flat. So our first coat is satin. An alternative to varnish would be something like an oil, such as this one from Osmo. And that's applied to the surface in a similar way that we're going to apply the varnish. Whichever system you use, when you're using your worktop, don't put hot pans directly onto the surface, because although they're very good, very durable, hot pans will affect the surface. Here we have a fine finish roller and our varnish, which I say has been thinned about 10% with clean water, and we can just apply that across the surface. A nice even coat. As you apply it, you'll start to see the grain appear and be more apparent. Just have a look across the surface, across the light, and then you'll be able to see if there's any areas that you've missed. But now we need to let that dry before we can apply our final 2 coats. We've left our wooden worktop to dry for the recommended time. Each product can be different though, so just check with the product that you're using what the recommended drying and recoat time is. Before we can apply our second coat though, we just need to denib the surface. So a little sand down now, very lightly. We'll just make sure we've got a really good surface to put our next coat onto. So just check the surface, rub your hand gently over it. As long as you can't feel anything, then we should have a really good surface to apply our next coat to. We're ready now to apply our second coat of the satin varnish. That's our second coat applied, nice even coat over the whole surface. Because we're using a clear product, sometimes it can be difficult to see that you've got everything covered. So just look across the surface at a low angle, and you should be able to see any flat spots or any misses, and you can just touch those in before the material's dry. We'll leave that to dry before we come back and we can apply the last and final coat, which is a dead flat finish. Our second coat of satin varnish on our worktop is now dry. It's ready to take our third and final coat. We've denibbed and dusted the surface off as we did between the first and the second coat, so we're ready to go now. We're going to be using a dead flat finish for this demonstration. You could have a satin or a gloss finish if you wanted, but just be aware the higher the gloss level, the more prone it will be to show any marks on the surface. Well, this is our finished worktop. The final coat that we applied is now dry. We've got a nice flat finish. If you look after this, it should give you a long service life. So a little bit of maintenance every so often. When you're cleaning it, don't use anything too abrasive or any harsh chemicals. Or if you're using an oil finish, then the manufacturers have a cleaning and maintenance system that you can use. And please remember, if you need any help or advice on your specific project, please give us a call.